shortcomings of this free program is that you don't really get to monitor effects in real time, which it makes it a little bit sucky, but we can still experiment with them, and I'll show you how right now. So what you may want to do, if we click on Audacity and we go to View, I like to collapse all tracks, or I'll do Fit to Height, and that way I can see everything all at once, kind of, right? It gives me sort of a better overview of my tracks. They'll all kind of stack together. And then on View also, I'm going to go to View, and I want to bring up the mixer board, right? Now, on the mixer board, it's going to show me volume levels for all of my tracks. It's going to show me pan, left and right. It's going to show me mute, and it's going to show me a solo, right? Those are all things that we see on the mixing consoles that we learned in class, and we'll see these on every mixing console. Now, regardless if you have any effects or anything else, just blending the sounds together is an important part of mixing. What volume do you set everything at, and why? How does that make the record sound? We talked about this a little bit before in terms of the philosophy of mixing. Obviously, you want your drums to sound good, you want the bass to be in the pocket, but we always want what to be at the focal point of our mix.
The voices.
Right, the vocals. People want to hear Bob. They want to hear Jimmy. They don't want to hear the guitar player, right? So try and find a way to shape the mix so that we got the lead vocals right up front where they need to be, but that we can also hear all the rest of the sounds in the mix. So I'm going to play this real quick and see what we have. That's from the whole recording process, and then the song comes in. So you can see off the bat, I'm punching all these levels. The same thing sort of applies, just like when we're dealing with a mix. We don't really want a whole lot of stuff in the red, and you can see my whole mix is in the red. So I might want to start by pulling back some of the stuff that's peaking. Give me some more what we call headroom, which is room to operate before you hit the red. Right? And what I usually like to do is work on blending my drums first. And what I can do is mute everything else. Right, so now I got my drums. And I can start by setting level. I can also pan. Let's say I want my percussion on the right, and maybe I'll put my hi-hat on the left.
Oh, cool.
Panning can help enhance the overall quality of your mix. You can move things to the side. Sometimes it can even help you kind of create space for your vocal. We want our vocal right dead center up in the front. Usually we want our kick and snare dead center, and usually we want our bass line dead center. But all the other instruments we can kind of move out to the sides, and it creates a more interesting mix because everything's not competing for the same real estate in the frequency spectrum. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right? So these are simple tools without doing any processing that I can use to enhance the way that my mix sounds, right? So, and right now I'm just doing a rough blend. If you have a simpler track like the Jimi Hendrix or the Space Odyssey, there's not obviously as much to do, but we'll come back in a second and I'll give you some more tips. So, I can then start to maybe put my bass line in. And then start blending other instruments in. And all the while I'm still watching this, making sure I'm not peaking or hitting in the red. So we want to watch for peaking on individual channels, but also watch for peaking on the overall mix. We don't want anything going into the red. And so sometimes we have to adjust our volumes, right, so that we're not pushing the limit on what's possible in the mix. After 0, there is nothing in the digital space.
How do you adjust the overall mix again? Sorry.
So you have to go in
For the volume?
to these channels and start pulling those volumes.
I meant the volume on the top, like the overall volume. If that starts peaking. Oh, okay. Thank you.
So you can do that here.
Okay, I get it.
But you see, that's not affecting this. What will affect this is you pulling down the individual volumes of every track.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right? And this is just the volume going out from where you are.
Nice.
Right? So I can start blending things in. Now, let's say I want to work maybe on my bass line here. And on my bass line, I want to add some effects to it. Right? So let's see what we got here. All right, there we go. Right? So if I want to add an effect to this bass line, I'm on my selection tool, I'm going to double click so that the whole thing is selected, and then I can go to effect at the top. I have to stop it in order to do the effect. This is what I was talking about in terms of like the shortcomings of this program. But let's say I wanted to do something simple, bass and treble. It's a bass line, maybe I want to add some more bass to it. So I can turn up the bass and click apply. And now you see what it's done to my waveform, it's pushed it up, but let's see how it sounds. That was the slate, and let's see what it comes in like.
It's kind of distorted.
Now it's peaking. But what I can do is pull the volume down here to kind of make up or compensate for some of that peaking.
Ah.
When we add EQ, we're adding gain. Right?
Yeah.
When we add EQ, we're adding volume. The same thing happened when we did our mix over here. You guys started EQing, and then even though you set your gain already, it started peaking.
Okay.
Right? So the same thing will happen in this program. Now, this is the other part of this that, you know, is a little, if I don't like what I did, I have to undo it, right?
Yeah.
The waveform will go back, at least it should. Undo bass and treble, and now it'll go back to the way it was, and then I can say maybe I don't want it at 12, maybe I'll just push it up a few dB and do apply again, and now this is my bass line. That sounds kind of good. I'm going to take my solo
And don't be no drags.
Or let's say I want to do something with Bob.
You lively up yourself.
I'm going to solo that track, and then same thing. I want to double click it, make sure this is all highlighted, light blue, and then I can go to effect, and let's say I want to put reverb onto Bob. I go to reverb, and we see all of these different selections here. I'm going to put the way Click OK. And now let's see what Bob sounds like.
Yeah. I would say, lively up yourself and don't be no dregs. You lively up yourself. Correct is another bed. Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Y'all see what we're doing here?
Yeah.
So we're just playing around and experimenting. I want you to start by setting those levels, making sure nothing's in the red, and then looking at your blend. And then once you got a nice blend going, you like the way the instruments are working with one another, then start playing with the effects. All right? If you have questions, let me know. I'll come around and check on you guys.
How do we bundle this up and send this to you again?
Good question. So once you're done with your mix, and I'll go over this again at the end of class, same thing that we would do when we were making our sound effects, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, and then I will go to export as MP3.
Save other. Okay.
Right? You export as an MP3. Don't send me your Audacity file. I don't want that. Just export as an MP3 and upload that MP3. And that's going to be you turning in your assignment. Does that make sense? So once you got your blend and you like the way it sounds, go to save other, export as MP3, and upload that to the assignment. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, so start working. Do your mixes. Let's see what y'all come up with. Huh? Remix it.